Reading a Book Story by Andrew Frinkle. Jocelyn didn't have many friends, but she had lots of books. Books were better than friends sometimes. Books didn't get angry at you or argue with you. Books didn't feel sad when you didn't come see them for a while. Jocelyn liked fantasy books. They had lots of adventures. She felt like she was in them. She could be a princess or an adventurer. She could save the day. She could see lots of monsters and amazing places. There were mysteries to solve and battles to win. It was great to read about fantasy. Sometimes she liked history books, too. It was interesting to see how people used to live. It was strange to imagine how things used to be before all of the inventions we have today. She tried to imagine how hard life was a long time ago, and how nice it would have been to invent new things and discover new places. That was exciting. Jocelyn also liked science books. She liked books about animals and faraway places especially. There were so many different animals in the world. They came in every shape, size, and color. There were so many things that weren't even at the zoo. It was hard to think about how many different animals there were. It made her want to be a zoologist, so she could travel and see new animals living in strange places. She liked those kinds of books, but not girly romance books. She didn't care about drama and silly stuff. She was into the serious stuff. The best thing about books, though, was that you could share them. Jocelyn didn't have many friends, but the ones she did have liked books too. They could talk about them and share their ideas and thoughts. Books were great, but they were better with friends to talk to about them.